Handmade items, adding soul and story to your space. When it comes to boho style, nothing captures its spirit more than handmade items. Unlike mass-produced decor, handmade pieces have a unique charm that instantly makes your home feel warm, authentic, and lived in. Every handmade item tells a story. It may be crafted by an artisan in a small village, created using traditional techniques, or even something you made yourself. That storytelling aspect is at the heart of bohemian design. Think about walking into a room filled with handcrafted treasures, a woven rattan basket in the corner, a hand-carved wooden tray on the coffee table, a clay pot holding your favorite plant. Each piece has its own texture, imperfections, and beauty that no machine could replicate. Those tiny details create a space that feels soulful and unique. Handmade textiles are another key feature. Imagine a hand-woven blanket draped across your bed, or a macrame wall hanging, adding texture to a plain wall. These aren't just decorative, they're tactile, inviting, and functional. A crocheted throw blanket not only looks beautiful, but keeps you cozy on chilly evenings. One of the most appealing parts of incorporating handmade items is that you're often supporting small businesses or local artisans. Whether it's a hand-painted ceramic bowl or a handmade candle in a natural holder, these items carry cultural and personal significance. They give your space a global, collected feel, which is exactly what boho style is known for. And let's not forget DIY projects. Boho Decor welcomes imperfection, so you don't have to be a professional artist to contribute to your home's vibe. Creating your own wall art, painting an old vase, or repurposing a piece of furniture adds a deeply personal touch. In bohemian style, creativity is celebrated. Your home becomes a canvas, and you're the artist. In short, handmade items bring warmth, story, and authenticity to boho decor. They remind us that beauty doesn't come from perfection, but from uniqueness and soul. Colorful rugs, bringing energy and life into boho decor. If there's one boho element that can completely transform a room in seconds, it's a colorful rug. Rugs are the heart of bohemian interiors. They define spaces, add texture, and layer in bursts of color that bring energy to the room. Unlike minimalist or neutral styles, boho embraces vibrant hues, intricate patterns, and eclectic designs, making rugs the perfect centerpiece. Traditional boho rugs often come from global influences: Moroccan, Persian, Turkish, or Indian designs. They feature geometric shapes, tribal motifs, and bold colors that instantly catch the eye. Whether it's a deep red Persian rug under your coffee table or a multicolored kilim runner in your hallway, these rugs anchor the room and set the tone for the entire decor. But boho rugs aren't just about looks. They're about comfort. Imagine sinking your feet into a thick, cozy rug with intricate weaves. In boho decor, rugs are often layered. You might place a jute rug as a base and then add a smaller patterned rug on top. This creates visual depth and a relaxed, lived-in feel. Color psychology also plays a role. Bright colors like orange and yellow add energy. Blues and greens create calm, and reds bring warmth. By choosing the right rug, you can shape the mood of your room without needing to repaint or buy new furniture. It's one of the simplest ways to refresh your space. The versatility of rugs is another reason they're a boho staple. You can use them anywhere: under the bed, in the living room, on a wall as a tapestry, or even draped across furniture. Rugs are not just floor coverings. In boho decor, they become art pieces themselves. And don't be afraid to mix and match. Unlike other design styles that might demand everything match perfectly, boho thrives on layering different patterns and colors. A striped rug can sit comfortably next to a floral design, as long as they share some complementary tones. The result is playful, vibrant, and uniquely yours. So when you think of boho rugs, think of them as more than decor. They're the soul of the space, tying everything together with color, comfort, and personality. Art pieces, expressing personality in boho spaces. The final pillar of boho home decor is art. If handmade items and rugs set the stage, art pieces are what give your home its voice. Boho style celebrates individuality, and nothing shows that better than the artwork you choose to display. Art in boho spaces doesn't follow strict rules. It can be a painting, a tapestry, a collage, or even something as simple as a framed photograph. What matters most is that it reflects you. A boho home is never about sterile walls. It's about filling them with pieces that tell your story, your travels, and your passions. For example, a large canvas with abstract brushstrokes can add bold personality to a living room wall. A hand-painted mandala might bring a sense of calm and spirituality. Even vintage posters, album covers, or handmade sketches can become part of your boho art collection. The more eclectic, the better. One signature element of boho decor is the gallery wall. Instead of one large artwork, you create a collection of different pieces: photographs, prints, macrame, woven hangings, and mirrors arranged together. It's like an artistic collage on your wall, and it becomes a conversation starter for anyone who visits. Boho art also thrives on cultural diversity. Many bohemian homes feature art from around the world: African masks, Indian mandalas, Mexican textiles, or Moroccan patterns. This global influence makes your space feel worldly, eclectic, and full of life. Another important aspect is personal creativity. Just like with handmade items, boho decor invites you to create your own art. Maybe it's a painting you made, a framed poem you wrote, or a travel photo you captured. By displaying your own work, you make your space truly one of a kind. Don't forget about textures in art. A woven wall hanging, a macrame piece, or a sculptural clay design adds dimension and warmth that flat prints alone can't provide. In boho style, art isn't just visual. It's tactile, interactive, and layered. Ultimately, art pieces in boho decor serve one purpose: to tell your story. They transform your home from a simple space into a reflection of your personality, values, and adventures.